Fishing just got a whole new dimension with drones. Imagine being able to cast your line from any spot, even the most secluded areas. These aerial assistants are revolutionizing the angling experience, offering a bird's-eye view and unparalleled access to hidden fishing hotspots. Today, we'll unveil the 10 best drones to cast your line further, locate hidden fish, and capture epic fishing moments. So, tighten your rod, fire up the propellers, and let's get fishing. If you've been waiting for a drone to conquer the waters, the Splash Drone 4 is here to make your fishing dreams a reality. With its seawater-proof aircraft, corrosion-free components, and floating design, you can fearlessly explore even the most remote waters. Imagine casting your line from any spot, even those secluded areas that were once inaccessible. It's built to withstand the elements, boasting an IP67 rating and the ability to fly in rain and snow. Its powerful motors and aerodynamic design allow it to conquer winds up to 31 miles per hour, ensuring stability and control in challenging conditions. And with a range of up to 5 kilometers, you can reach those hidden fishing hotspots with ease. But that's not all. This drone is packed with intelligent features that make fishing a breeze. With its robust construction and all-weather capabilities, this drone is poised to revolutionize your fishing adventures, taking you closer to that epic catch than ever before. Building on the aquatic capabilities of the Splash Drone 4, the SwellPro Fisherman FD3 takes shore-based fishing to uncharted territories. Anglers, get ready to experience a game-changer with this waterproof marvel, casting a whopping 4.8 pounds of bait up to a mile offshore, far beyond the reach of conventional gear. But the FD3 isn't just about raw power. It's a masterclass in intelligent design. The most impressive feature of the FD3 is its multi-hook fishing capability. Imagine being able to deploy multiple hooks, baits, or lures on a single line, dramatically increasing your chances of reeling in that trophy catch. And this drone is equipped with calibration-free sensors and can withstand wind resistance up to level 7, making it perfect for harsh conditions. Whether you're targeting that elusive trophy or simply seeking a more productive day on the water, the FD3 is your secret weapon, unlocking a world of angling opportunities that were once mere dreams. Continuing the quest to unlock new fishing frontiers, the SharkX fishing drone empowers you to conquer the waters like never before. With its IP66 waterproof protection and impressive 12 meter per second wind resistance, the SharkX is built to thrive in harsh conditions. Plus, with a remarkable 3 kg max payload capacity and a 1 kilometer range, you can reach those coveted fishing spots that were once out of reach. But what truly sets the SharkX apart is its intelligent features, like autopilot, fail-safe return, and the intuitive Ripton app for planning every mission. When it's time to cast, the SharkX delivers your bait with surgical precision, putting you in control of the action. The real game changer, however, is the Ripton fishing app. Plus, with the ability to set flight tasks, you can effortlessly guide your SharkX to the perfect fishing spot, release your bait, and retrieve it with ease. If you thought the previous drones were impressive, brace yourself for the SwellPro Fisherman Drone FD3, a true fishing force to be reckoned with. Imagine having the power to drop your bait up to 1.6 kilometers away from shore, reaching those hidden hotspots that were once off-limits. But the FD3 isn't just about distance. It's a workhorse capable of lifting an impressive 2 kilograms of bait. That means you can load up multiple hooks or even a hefty live bait, increasing your chances of reeling in that trophy catch. And with its IP67 saltwater-proof rating, this drone was practically born for the ocean. What truly sets the FD3 apart is its dedicated focus on fishing. Unlike multi-purpose drones, this aerial assistant is streamlined for optimal bait dropping efficiency. Its rugged body and powerful propulsion system are fine-tuned to conquer winds up to 20 meters per second, ensuring your line reaches its target every time. While the drones above focused on reaching distant waters, the Chasing Dory literally takes your fishing experience to new depths. It's a compact, intelligent, and incredibly versatile underwater drone. With Dory's built-in true color restoration algorithm and powerful 250 lumen headlights, you'll be able to see and record the vibrant colors and details that most can only dream of. Thanks to its 5 thrusters and tether connection to a floating Wi-Fi buoy, you can control this underwater drone from up to 50 feet away, diving, tilting, and locking depth with the ease of a video game controller. And the best part? Dory is incredibly portable, weighing less than 2.5 pounds and small enough to fit in a backpack. Whether you're snorkeling, fishing, or simply exploring, this compact companion is ready to accompany you on any adventure, capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Speaking of underwater marvels, the PowerVision PowerRay is poised to blow your mind with its aquatic capabilities. This cutting-edge underwater drone is a true marvel of engineering, designed to take your aquatic adventures to unprecedented heights. It can dive up to 98 feet below the surface, capturing breathtaking 4K UHD footage and 12-megapixel photos of the vibrant marine life in the ocean's depths. With its integrated LED front lights and video stabilization mode, the PowerRay ensures that every shot is perfectly illuminated and free from unwanted shakiness. Equipped with a Power Seeker sonar fish finder, the PowerRay can locate and track fish with pinpoint accuracy, making it the ultimate tool for serious anglers. And with its magnetic bait drop feature, you can precisely place your lure in the perfect spot, maximizing your chances of success. So, whether you're a filmmaker, researcher, or simply an adventure seeker, the PowerVision PowerRay is about to become your new best friend beneath the waves. Versatility takes center stage with the Aeroo Pro, a multi-purpose aerial powerhouse that refuses to be pigeonholed. With its reinforced, saltwater-resistant frame and 50 km/h wind resistance, this aerial workhorse is built to conquer. With intelligent flight modes, including payload stability, drop point save, and active track, the Aeroo Pro is the ultimate fishing companion, ensuring precise bait deployment and effortless maneuverability. Experience the future of aerial technology with up to 45 minutes of flight time, a 10-kilometer range, and crystal-clear 7K video transmission. Best of all, the Aeroo Pro is incredibly user-friendly. Take off, fly, return home, and land, all at the press of a button. Let go of the remote, and the drone will hover on the spot, even in high winds. Compact and ready for any adventure, the Aeroo Pro is about to change the way you explore the world. If compact size and underwater exploration pique your interest, get ready for the FIFISH V6S, a rugged underdog with a serious game. This compact, rugged underwater drone is equipped with a groundbreaking robotic arm, delivering a staggering 100-Newton clamping and towing force. With its neutrally buoyant design, you'll experience unparalleled precision and control, allowing you to drag, drop, tow, and salvage objects with ease. But the innovations don't stop there. The V6S boasts a 60% increase in battery capacity, enabling extended 5-hour diving sessions and heavier-duty missions. And with its enhanced stabilization system, you'll capture smooth, seamless 4K footage, even in challenging environments. Explore the depths with unrivaled clarity, thanks to the 166-degree ultra-wide field of view, 4,000 lumens LED brightness, and 360-degree movement capabilities. The FIFISH V6S is the ultimate underwater companion for any adventure. For those seeking sheer power in their fishing arsenal, the SwellPro Fisherman Max is here to dominate. Building on the capabilities of its predecessors, this powerful drone is the ultimate tool for maximizing your success and safety on the water. With an impressive 7-pound bait capacity, high-efficiency propellers, and high-thrust motors, you can effortlessly fly hefty live baits over 700 meters. And with up to 6 bait drops per charge, you'll spend more time fishing than retrieving. But the Fisherman Max is more than just brute strength. It's also incredibly smart. Its IP67 saltwater-proof design, float and flip capabilities, and level 6 wind resistance ensure rock-solid control in the harshest conditions. And with its multicolor LCD display, voice prompts, and 4K waterproof camera, you'll have a bird's-eye view of the action, allowing you to scout for fish, read the tides, and place your baits with pinpoint accuracy. Last but not least, the PowerVision PowerEgg X Wizard delivers an innovative twist on fishing drones. As a drone, it captures amazing aerial views over lakes, rivers, and your favorite fishing spots. See everything from above to scout the best casting areas. Once you spot that honey hole, transform the PowerEgg X into a handheld camera to get right in the action. It has awesome features like slow motion to study every cast in detail. The time-lapse lets you relive your whole fishing trip in minutes. And the sync voice tech captures all your excited yelps as you reel in monsters. This drone is super smart too. It avoids obstacles automatically and can fly up to 6 kilometers away to explore those secluded fishing havens. Plus, the editing app makes creating and sharing your fishtails a breeze. With this, you can upgrade your angling adventures. So that concludes our list of the 10 best fishing drone. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.